Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 as a sort of computer using the DeX mode. So first of all, you'll need to have a monitor and your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. Or any other modern Samsung phone that's from a top line, because some cheap budget Samsung phones may not have that function, but you also can find it in settings. I'll show you that in a moment. Also, you will need a cable, not only your monitor. If your monitor supports USB-C cable, then you can, and that USB-C is supported for video input, then you can use USB-C cable to basically connect it. And it's really great, but you also need to have a cable that supports data transfer. Not all will work, but if you get a good cable, then it'll work. I actually will use an HDMI cable that's connected to my monitor, and you can see the other end is right here. Then I have an adapter that has multiple ports here, and on the other end it is USB-C. You can see it has HDMI right here. So I will first connect that HDMI cable, then simply connect the USB-C to the Z Flip. Now I'll unlock the phone first, and now I'm gonna make sure that the display is on. In a moment I'll also show you how to check if your device supports the DeX. Okay, let's turn it on. Now it is in my Windows, so I'll just switch the source. Let's see if the source is right here. Okay. We need to go in there. Okay, let's approve it. Now I've switched to HDMI on my monitor, and you can see it displays Samsung DeX. If I want, I can enable a touchpad mode on my DeX by going to the notifications, then clicking on the notification about the touchpad. Now my phone functions as a touchpad. You can also connect Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, or USB keyboard and mouse if you're using an adapter and if it supports USB input. Now, if you want to check if your device supports DeX, go to the settings. The settings here are exactly the same as on the phone, so I'll just show you that here. Basically, on your phone, if you go to connected devices, and if you scroll down, you should find somewhere Samsung DeX. Once you find it, you know it's supported. And now we are in the DeX mode. You can do whatever you want here. It basically functions as a computer. Maybe not, you can't do everything here, but there's quite a few things that you can. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.